Logan's eating peas for the first time. Ready? Good boy. Let go. Let go, Logan. I don't think he likes them. Come look at this face he's making.
Some non-milk-based product that's blowing his mind.
Yeah. Logan.
Look! We're not feeding you your poop, I promise. Oh, baby. You're gonna be like me and hate vegetables?
That's not even the silly face. The silly face when he goes like.
You're gonna be like me and hate vegetables, Look?
See?